If I see one more online fitness coach throw up a for sale sign thinking that it's going to get them clients, I'm probably going to throw up. Here's how you can sell high ticket online fitness coaching programs without doing cheesy gimmicks or cheesy TikTok dance videos or throwing up for sale sign or doing what your typical marketer does. Hi, my name is Eric Anthony Klima. I used to be a struggling personal trainer 6 years ago until I found online fitness coaching, which allowed me to have more time, money, and freedom. And now I'm helping other personal trainers do the same exact thing. So number one is you need a no-brainer offer. You want to have an offer that sounds so good that people feel absolutely stupid saying no to it. So Alex Hormozi's example was called the value equation, which comes down to 4 key components. So the first thing is you want to figure out the dream outcome that your prospects want to achieve. The second thing is the prospects and the people that you're actually trying to sell to, they have to actually believe that it's going to work. The third part is how long is it actually going to take them to get there, to that dream outcome. The shorter that you can make that time from where they purchase to where they get to that dream outcome, the more valuable that your program becomes. And the fourth thing is the effort and sacrifice that they have to go through in order to achieve that dream outcome. The goal here is to shrink that as much as possible. So in a perfect world, we make an amazing promise that can get them in the shortest amount of time frame with little to no effort. When you package your program into an irresistible offer, it will increase the likelihood of closing your client, therefore putting more money in your pocket. 2 is what you probably heard me talk about a lot, which is conversion conversations. After you have an offer that's so good that people feel stupid saying no to it, you need to have a method to book calls and get leads around the clock. And we do this through conversion conversations. Conversion conversations is simply creating conversations with the people who are engaging on your content, your followers, your friend list, and this works on all social media platforms. And when you have these conversations, you set them up with a sales call, which ultimately leads to money in the bank. Conversion conversations let you build trust with your audience, build relationships, and it helps you convert easily. Okay, so number 3 is building your content strategy. Your content strategy is what's going to help you get leads organically and have unlimited amount of people to message, to have those conversion conversations with. Instead of dumping a ton of money on paid advertising, which is really, really expensive, if your targeting is off, you're gonna be throwing money right down the drain. So the way Alex Hormozi breaks it down is that you want your free content to be so damn good that people would actually pay for it. And if it's that good, then they can only imagine what it's like if they do actually pay you. Your content strategy will work for you to get you leads while you're running your business. This all sounds great, and this definitely will work for you, but maybe you're short on time, or you're just not sure where to get started. I'll leave my website below for you to learn how we've taken some of our clients to go from $0 to $20,000 in just the first 30 days of working with us. And if not, then I'll see you on the next one.